Today, I'm going to teach you how to easily use our online tool to get your free HVAC estimate. The great thing about this tool is that it's easy to do. There are many choices and fair pricing. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to make sure you fill in the correct contact information as well as your zip code. Next, you'll select the type of home that you live in. Your next step is to fill in a few other details about your home, the age of your home, the square footage, whether or not you have uneven temperatures in your rooms, and whether or not you have air quality concerns. Your next step is to select the existing type of unit you already have, where it's located, and a few other details. Next, you'll select the desired energy efficiency and the time frame in which you're looking to purchase. Next, click the I Want My Estimate button. Now you'll receive an estimate for 3 options. From here, you can choose your option or have it emailed to you as well. And that's it. This tool is easy to use and it only takes a few minutes.